welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you all so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe but turn notifications on. It's the first 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillificationSquad once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make some super cool fidget toys. I'll be showing you guys how to make a DIY color changing stress ball, a Pea Popper Fidget, and a Joystick Fidget. Right now, in my slime shop, I'm having a 20% off sale if you use the code SUMMER. My slime shop will be linked down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. First up, I'll be showing you guys how to make a color changing stress ball. For this, grab 2 balloons. Right here I have this white balloon and then this magenta colored one. Make sure that one of the balloons is significantly darker than the other one. Now take the darker colored balloon and then start twisting it. Just like this. You're trying to kind of twist it into like a thin noodle. Now open up the balloon and place it inside. Towards the end, it will get a little bit tricky, so grab some kind of pencil and use it to push the rest of the balloon inside. Now grab an empty cup or bowl, whatever you want, fill it up with some water. So basically, we are making the stuff that will go inside of the balloon. This step is optional, but I'm gonna add in some white Elmer's school glue. What this will do is this will make your stress ball a little bit thicker. If you do not have glue, then just skip this step. You don't really need that much, just like a few squirts. Mix it up until it's dissolved. Now take an empty plastic water bottle and cut off the top. Alright, here we have a homemade funnel. Now grab your balloon, put the pink balloon, and put that over the water bottle. Now go ahead and start pouring your mixture into the funnel. Then once it's full, you can take off the funnel. Before you take your balloon off, I'd recommend twisting it just so that it's easier to take off the funnel. Now go ahead, twist and tie a knot on your balloon. Once you've tied your balloon, your color changing stress ball is all complete. So as you guys can see, it's white right now, and now when I squeeze it, it's pink. You guys, this is so cool. Look at it. This is a really nice stress ball, and the glue definitely made it more thick. I really like that it's color changing, and I'd highly recommend making it. It was super easy to make. Next, I will show you guys how to make a Pea Popper Fidget. Grab a small piece of craft foam. If you do not have foam, you can use colored paper. And then fold it in half. Grab a pen and start drawing a pea shape. Then go ahead and cut it out while it's folded. And now once you cut it out, it should look something like this. Right here is my little pea shape. Now grab 3 small water balloons. These will act as the little peas. Now go ahead and fill each one with water, soap, whatever you want. I'm just using the soap because it's easier to put it in. And then go ahead and tie it. Make sure to not put too much water because we want them to keep this sort of circular shape. Now repeat this process with the other 2 balloons. Once your water balloons are all tied and filled up with water, go ahead and cut off the tails. Now grab some hot glue and place it inside of your pea pod. Okay, so I put one right there where I'm going to put one of the peas. And then push it in. Hold it for a few seconds, just so that it dries. Place another glue dot in the center of the pea pod. Then the final one. Once you've placed your pea pods in, just glue the edges together. You can also use super glue for this step. Once they're glued together, your Pea Popper Fidget is all completed. if you want, you can go ahead and draw some cute faces on the peas. Right here I have a Sharpie and I'm just gonna draw on some cute little faces. This one's smiling. We'll make this one mad. You will make this one sad. This fidget is so cute. You can draw whatever faces you'd like and it pops super well. I really like this fidget. Now let's show you guys how to make a joystick fidget. Have a piece of cardboard and then measure out a square. So I'm gonna make mine 3 by 3 inches. And now cut it out. There we go. Now take 4 pipe cleaners. These will be the amount of joysticks you have. Once they're lined up like this, measure out 2 inches and then cut them. Now you have 4 small little pipe cleaners. And grab 4 small beads. Now with a hot glue gun, glue a bead onto the top of the pipe cleaner. Do that to each one of the pipe cleaners. Now I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the others. You don't have to use hot glue for this. You can use any type of glue you want, but it will just take longer to dry. Now mark 4 little dots in the corners of the square where we're going to be placing the pipe cleaners. Wherever you place those dots, put a dot of glue there. And then hold it. Now the final blue one. Once your pipe cleaners are glued on, your joystick fidget is all completed. You can go ahead and kind of move it around like a joystick. They're super bendy, you can twist them. This is a really nice fidget to just like fidget around while you're, I don't know, reading something. And since there are 4 of them, it looks really nice. There are many different colors. I really like this fidget and I'd highly recommend making it. You guys, you can even place it upside down and it's like a table. Right over here were all of the fidgets we made today. The color changing stress ball. I really love it and I find it super cool how it changes colors like this. It's super squishy and relaxing to play with. Next we have the Pea Popper. The faces are super cute and you can just like pop them like that. And then the Joystick Fidget. Comment down below which fidget toy was your favorite and which one you will be trying out. My favorite was probably the color changing stress ball. I love the pink color. Make sure to check out my other DIY fidget toy videos. They will all be linked down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. Check out my slime shop and use the code SUMMER to get 20% off your order. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.